यो भाई लोग
कैसे हो?
और बहन लोग।
और बहनों को क्यों इतना हाय बोल रहा है?
क्यों बोल रहा मतलब क्या नहीं बोल रहा क्या
इतना
तू?
क्यों
अच्छा तू
इंटरेस्ट है?
लड़की लोग को इग्नोर करता है
नहीं,
जैसे
इतना क्यों इंटरेस्ट कर रहा है इतना?
अरे बहन लोग है मेरे, तू अपने बहनों को हाय नहीं बोलता,
बोलते हैं
इग्नोर कर देता सीधा।
सब
लड़की लोग को इग्नोर कर देता है ये आदमी। कैसा सोच
कोर्स करता मैं।
ये, ऐसा दुनिया कितना आगे आ गया है, इक्वल राइट्स ही नहीं देता है बोलता।
नहीं देता
शी।
मैं।
मतलब अपने लाइफ में बोल रहा हूँ खुद के।
नहीं देता हूँ, इसीलिए हम रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं
क्या?
माँ कसम पे।
Nice try to save it, but I don't think it works. The only woman he respects is his mother. That's what he wants to say.
The most
Allegation,
नहीं,
allegation.
the most and then I respect others and all of them.
Hierarchy है उसके इसमें. Anyway, sorry.
Yeah.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. आज फिर से हम माँ कसम पे आ चुके हैं. इंटरेस्टिंग है इसका टाइटल. टाइटल इज आई मेट माई डॉग्स घोस्ट. देखते तू भूत पे बिलीव करते क्या?
नहीं, बट फटती है
तो फिर बिलीव करता ना, उसका मतलब तो मतलब है रहेगा तो मेरे पास मत आओ.
हाँ प्लीज,
हाँ
मेरे को रहने दो हम ना मेरे.
तू ऐसा भी ये भी हॉरर मूवीज भी नहीं देखता ना.
हाँ
साला है.
इसीलिए तो नहीं करता हूँ बिलीव
अच्छा.
बिलीव करता तो देखता ना
अच्छा.
मैं. तू करता है कि नहीं?
नॉट रियली. आई बिलीव इन द माइंड प्लेइंग ट्रिक्स ऑन यू. क्या क्या?
नहीं तो मैं बोलने वाला था कि मतलब जो भी हम लोग के फैमिली ने बोला है हमारे नेटिव प्लेस पे हुआ था सब फॉल्स है. ओके
सब फॉल्स भाई. मेरे अभी चाहिए तो अभी जाके रह भी सकते हो. आई डोंट केयर भाई. जो ये बोल रहा है वो बोलना चाह रहा है कि हम लोग एक बार हम गाँव जाते थे पहले, तभी एक होटल में रह रहे थे पूरा फैमिली, और उधर पर्टिकुलर रूम्स में ऐसा पैरानॉर्मल एक्टिविटीज हो रहा था. तेरे लोगों को ऐसे मार के जा रहे थे टपली उपली. कोई को टीवी चालू हो रहा था बंद चालू, वो जेनेरिक स्टफ जो वो खींचते चद्दर खींचते वो. भाई ये तो मुझे समझता ही नहीं है.
मैं भी सोया था, फिर मैं से नींद में देखा तो ऊपर
मेरे डैड अकेले रूम में थे, बोलते उसके चेस्ट पे बैठा था. ब्रा मेरे बाप को बिलीव नहीं करता. तुम वीडियो देख रहे तो कमेंट करो क्यों ऐसा झूठा वीडियो बनाया तूने. वो हमको झूठा बताया. एनीवेज चल देखते हैं.
3, 2, 1.
रिवील. एक मिनट, कोई भी एक्साइटेड नहीं था एक पकड़ने के लिए. क्या है?
Okay, what's your name?
Askara.
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 What a great throw.
Yeah.
Askara, what do you do in life? Why are you asking somebody?
एक मिनट, अस्करा क्या नाम होता है? बट क्रेजी नेम है, सबसे पहली बार सुना है. और यहाँ ना सच्ची में पूछ रहा क्या है.
वही कुछ
बताओ
तो
क्या?
नहीं, कुछ तो
रुक जा, वो बाद में जज करते, पहले छोड़ दे तो बोलेगा येलो.
What do I do? You tell me what do I do?
Because you'll make a lot of fun
No, we won't.
of me, and this is going to go on YouTube.
Arey, it's
Arey,
just-
forget about the cameras. They're just
Okay,
recording
this
you.
will be a problem. This will probably be a good story, or you're going to make fun of me. But basically, I'm a channel.
Oh, you summon spirits.
Wait, you're a channel?
Yeah.
I genuinely
Wait, one
thought
second.
YouTube channel. And it's like, why will we make fun? हमारा पूरा job ही है. हम क्यों तेरा मजाक उड़ाएंगे?
Can you elaborate?
Not spirits, but yeah, I can basically channel higher dimensional beings and all that.
Would you want to come up on stage and do that at some point? Are you okay with
Now?
it?
No,
Comfortable?
no.
Later? Half an hour later?
No.
1 hour?
No.
Can you channel some confidence?
You know where?
Okay, so 1 second.
Nice.
Why did you ask her whether you should say it? Are you a friend of hers? A
She
spirit?
literally channeled this right now. She said that
What?
she would like to be in the front
अबे
row and be the
चुप ना.
one who's speaking with y'all.
No!
हाँ तो एक काम कर, उसको चैनल करने बोल के लकी ड्रॉ जीते हो, एक लॉटरी
ये
जीते.
क्या है?
और फर्स्ट रो में है भी नहीं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल.
You tossed it right to her.
By the way, we did not have this monkey shit planned. So
Yeah.
this has literally happened because you opened Instamart.
That's
See,
all
you
monkeys.
think it's not planned, but maybe it is.
I think you did this.
Can you share one of the craziest incidents that happened?
हाँ, चल.
Okay, I can share one incident.
Say,
whatever
say,
you're
say.
okay with.
So one of the things that I can channel for people, and I know a lot of people might want to contact me later, is that I can channel people's
सॉरी एक ये मेरे को एक समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, वो उधर सीट पे रख के बात कर सकती है बट उसको स्टेज पे आने का क्या इशू है?
मतलब रेडी नहीं थी ना बेसिकली कोई स्टोरी बोलने के लिए आई गेस.
हाँ बट तू उधर बैठ के भी लाइक तेरे को उधर बैठ के भी तेरे को लाइक सेम स्टोरी बोलना है.
हाँ बट आई थिंक इट्स डिफरेंट. जब स्टेज पे तभी बहुत आइज है वैसा जिसको ऐसा रेडी कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं रहता ऐसा अंदर से. भाई तू हाथ उठाता था जब तो क्वेश्चन पूछते थे स्कूल में कौन आंसर देगा, तू हाथ उठाता था?
नहीं वो गलत, वो ये होता था कि मैं गलत ना हूँ इसलिए वो रहता था.
अच्छा ठीक है,
सही आंसर रहेगा तो मैं हाथ
अच्छा वो
उठा-
छोड़. कोई ये रहेगा स्पीच देने गए स्टेज पे जाके,
हाँ फटेगी थोड़ा. हाँ
नहीं पर तू सामने से पार्टिसिपेट करता था?
सामने से तो नहीं.
हाँ तो वही है बात ना कि लोग इस बाकी लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, इसमें तेरे को सामने से बुला रहा है कोई.
अरे बट ये नहीं भी बोल सकते थे ना, इतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है.
अभी उसको मालूम पड़ गया मजा आ रहे लोग थोड़ा और उसको दिख गया कि इन लोग से लोग क्लाइंट भी हो सकते हैं मेरे फ्यूचर.
potential mates, like potential partners.
अबे
okay?
चल ना बे.
1 second, 1 second. Askara, hold on.
चल ना
No,
बे.
I
Hold on.
can't do it right
You know
now.
what has
I need
happened?
to.
1 second, hold on. You have said I can channel a mate, and this lady has gone.
So I'll just give you a story. So there was this guy who I liked in the past. Like their relationship didn't work, and years later I wanted to know what his potential mate or the right person for him would look like, right? So I ended up channeling that girl. I got some information about her, okay? And next day was his birthday, and we were not in touch for about 2 years. And I just wished him happy birthday, etc., etc. And then excitedly I told him that, listen, I started doing this thing, and I have channeled your potential mate. Do you want to know about her? And he said, okay. And I described this girl very excitedly, and he says, how do you know her? And I say, I don't know her. And then he says, I'm dating this girl.
And now he's filing a police complaint for stalker.
वो उसके बारे में बोलूं, अभी तू किसको डेट कर रहा था तो तेरे को पता तो चल जाएगा उसका लाइकिंग क्या है.
हाँ हाँ
तो इतना इजी किसी रैंडम के बारे में तू बोल रहा है वो अलग बात है.
ट्रू.
उसको वो हमेशा बोलता रहेगा लड़की को, यार काश तेरे में ये कमी है ये वो बोली हाँ ऐसा कोई रहेगा ना जिसको
बोलना इज क्रेजी, ये तेरे में ये कमी है.
अरे एग्जैजरेटेड है यार. ऋतिक ये सेट करना है यार तू.
अरे मैं बोल रहा हूँ क्रेजी ऐसे बोलने का.
नहीं मतलब बेसिकली वही है कि वो हमेशा जिस बात में टोकता था उसको
हाँ हाँ
वो बोलती रही कि वो लड़की में वो सर क्वालिटी है, वो तो बोलेगा हाँ है. Ghost in.
So today you have for us a horror story.
Yes.
Okay. Are you guys ready? Yes? All right. Chalo, Pakshal, take it away.
Okay, so the setting is very noir.
क्या तेरी photo
So
हाँ, नहीं,
it's set in 1981 in Kolkata.
Okay.
And it's a second-hand story from a point of view of my dad. So when he was 8 years old, when he came home from school, suddenly he got a very bad news from my grandmom that my granddad had acute pancreatitis and he had been admitted to the hospital. So like 40 years ago, that was a very serious disease and survival rate was just 5%. So my dad bid him, the final goodbye. And 2 days later, when my dad comes home from school, he sees that my granddad was discharged from the hospital. And this was very strange because he was in a very critical condition. And then when my family asked him, why did you take a discharge from the hospital? He was not saying anything. He just insisted that he doesn't want to go to any hospital ever. Okay, he may die in his bed, but he does not want to go to that hospital. So that hospital was Alipur Hospital in Kolkata, and he was admitted on the 7th floor of the hospital. Okay, so and when he came back, he said that he wants to keep all the lights of the house switched on at entire times, okay, day and night. So my family was insisting that what happened, please tell us something. And then, you know, by much persistence of my Bua and everyone, he finally agreed that he'll just keep one light bulb on at all times, but that must have written Om on it. Okay. So that bulb was switched on till the day he died in 2012. Then cut to around
Even when did he start? Like the story?
81.
81. Okay. जिया काफी जिया फिर. गांड फट गया था पर को.
I think 16, 18 years later, when, and this is where the story takes a very weird turn.
Sorry, 16 years after?
After he got
this-
discharged.
The incident in 1981.
Okay, 16 years after that. Huh?
Right.
Okay.
So it takes a very weird turn. The country wakes up to the news of Mother Teresa passing away. Okay. So there were many articles in the newspaper about her life and so on. But one article that caught my family's eye was that Mother Teresa was denied sainthood from the Vatican. So, despite many controversial religious, political reasons, there was one reason that caught my grandfather's eye. So, what he saw in the newspaper was that a few years ago, when Mother Teresa was admitted to a hospital, at the 7th floor of the Alipur hospital, she saw a short, stout, and a little dark-skinned nurse. And she was very scared of her because she was getting a very weird feeling from her that if she sleeps, then she'll strangle her, and the only option is to commit suicide. So that was a very weird feeling that Mother Teresa was getting, right? So usually when you are, you know, supposed to get a sainthood, you are not supposed to be scared of ghosts, right? But she experienced this. So that's when, around 16, 18 years later, my grandfather came forward with the story of what happened with him. Okay. So when he was admitted to the Alipur hospital, like in 1981, there was a rule in the hospital that every male critical patient should always be accompanied by 2 female nurses, right? And that day, one day, the night before he was discharged, he was just accompanied by 1 nurse. So that.
Sorry, a quick thing. ये किधर है? कोलकाता में बोला ना?
हाँ.
नोट डाउन कर रहे. जेंडर रेशियो क्रेजी.
आई नो, वो बोला था ये क्या है कि हर मेल के लिए 2 फीमेल नर्स.
अगर ऐसा क्लब रहेगा तो बताओ किधर. आई नो सीरियस है थोड़ा. सॉरी.
Was discharged, he was just accompanied by 1 nurse. So that nurse was the same nurse that was described by Mother Teresa. The short, stout, and a little dark-skinned nurse, right? And she was directly staring at him. Okay, and my grandfather was also getting a very weird and eerie feeling that if he sleeps, she will strangle her. So my grandmother was just sleeping beside him. So my grandfather was trying to, you know, wake her up. Say, please, उठ जाओ, see what's happening. And she's like, कुछ नहीं है, please, सो जाओ. Because, like my grandmother thought that he was, you know, very heavily sedated and all that. So she thought he might be hallucinated because of drugs and all that. So she just brushed it off. Now my grandfather saw the nurse and he also got a feeling that if I sleep, she will strangle me. There is only one another option, that is to jump off the balcony from the 7th floor. Okay, and the other option was to stare back. So 4-5 hours into the night, he was continuously staring at her, and she was also staring at him with just, you know, a little smile to make it very weird. So one time it happened that he dozed off, and like 2 seconds later he woke up and he was seeing that she was coming closer to him. So he was like, okay, I am now taking discharge tomorrow. No matter what happens, I am taking discharge, right? So the rest of the night went, you know, he was continuously staring at her. And at dawn, he was like, okay, I am going out of that. And the investigative journalist of Times of India, he was investigating this particular, you know, story. And another father came of a, I think, 8 or 10-year-old child who jumped off from the 7th floor. same hospitals, same 7th floor. And even he was saying ki Papa, I am seeing someone who I think will strangle me if I don't commit suicide. Right?
Oh, give it up for Bakshal, everyone.
अभी मैं बताऊं, स्टोरी हो गया ना उसका.
हाँ
ये है ना, नर्स है उधर.
हाँ
ये सिर्फ उन लोगों को क्लाइंट और लॉन्गर रखना है.
मतलब
उन लोग जम मारा और सर्वाइव हो गए तो हॉस्पिटल में वापिस भर्ती उधर ही है. जैसा ऐसा मालूम पड़ रहा है इसका डिस्चार्ज टाइम आ रहा है, उनके सामने खड़ा रख देते.
So there is one more short incident which I just came to know from my father. So he said that when my grandfather was traveling from Mumbai to Kolkata on a train, it was a 2-day journey, and he befriended some of the fellow passengers. I think something came up that my grandfather, he was admitted to Alipur hospital. So the fellow passenger, he went white, he went pale at just the mention of that hospital. He said the same thing happened with him when he was admitted to the 7th floor of Alipur hospital. There, he saw a short, stout, dark-skinned nurse. And he also heard rumors in that hospital that many years ago there was one nurse and she jumped off the balcony. That was, I think, 30 years even before that incident.
सबसे ज्यादा चौका तो वही है, बस देखा थे चैनलर. देखना उसको, देखना रिएक्शन देखना.
Even before that incident.
But firstly, give it
बट
up for
वो स्माइल भी कर रही है उसके बाद.
कौन है तू
भाई
देखना.
बहुत स्कैरी है वो.
स्माइल नहीं, उसको दिख गई हो सीधा. स्माइल किधर
But
दिखा.
firstly, give it up for
स्माइल
Bakshal.
कर रही है वो.
स्माइल किधर दिखा तू.
ऐसा
ऐसा क्या?
हाँ फिर उसके बाद स्माइल है वो.
वो है.
Once more.
Crazy story.
Proper ghost story.
So you have this nurse. Did you find out any other details about are there a lot of people who've gone through this?
गूगल का क्या मिला?
I think at least 4 to 5 stories that came in the newspaper.
Yeah, these are all
Bus.
documented.
Yeah, these are all documented
Itne
by
saalon
people
se-
who saw similar, who had similar kind of experiences on the 7th floor.
Wait, so your grandfather didn't see her when he came home?
No,
She only haunts that
Yeah.
hospital, no? She doesn't.
just that floor.
Oh,
Just that floor.
तो 6th floor पे लेना तो चलेगा.
हाँ,
उसका
चलेगा.
रेंज नहीं है ना उधर तक, सिग्नल नहीं आता उसका. अब हेवन से उसका सैटेलाइट छोटा है ना.
But
भूत वोडाफोन पे है क्या?
But this is another classic thing that never goes out of fashion, right? Ki if there's a couple, okay, ghost only seen by one person.
Yeah.
Other couple completely oblivious. अरे क्या है उसमें? कुछ तो भी तो नहीं है.
Because it's all
And then
in
just
her.
walks into.
Bro, मेरे साथ भी एक्चुअली हुआ है हॉन्टिंग हॉस्पिटल में.
क्या बोल रहा है?
मैं अंबानी में एडमिटेड था.
हाँ.
फिर मैंने बिल देखा.
एक मिनट, फटाट से तभी गूगल मार लेते.
Oh my god भाई crazy.
भाग. क्या था हॉस्पिटल का नाम?
अलीपुर.
यही है ना, अलीपुर. ये
नहीं हाँ रुक जा एक सेकंड, क्लिक कर उस पे. ट्रू है यार.
क्या ट्रू है?
हो नहीं सकते क्या? वो बोल रहा है कि एक
अबे
नर्स ने वो फ्लोर से सुसाइड करके
वो भी रूमर है, वो बोला फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल.
अरे
तो
अरे बट एक सेकंड ठीक है.
अच्छा तू एक बात बता, ये सब हर एक बार सिख लोग के साथ क्यों होता है?
तू सुनना
हाँ.
ठीक है. तो इतना वो उसको पैनक्रिएटिक ये था, वो माइंड से स्टेबल था वो बंदा.
अरे कितना सारा उसको ड्रग दे रहे.
हाँ तो मेरे को बात बता.
हाँ
ठीक है. अब सर रूमर है कि मे भी हुआ रहेगा, मे भी डॉक्यूमेंटेड है, यू डोंट नो. ठीक है. अब एक बंदे को दिखा, मैं समझ में आता हूँ ड्रग्स पे. ठीक है. मदर टेरेसा. ठीक है.
अरे
उसको दिखा, चल वो भी बीमार. ठीक है चल
हाँ.
वो भी बीमार.
हॉस्पिटल में उन लोग.
हाँ.
वो डेथ
अब-
बेड पे हो तो.
अरे
मदर
बट
टेरेसा.
और भी लोग बोल रहे हैं जो कि हाँ भाई 7th फ्लोर पे मैं भी.
अरे सिर्फ इतने सालों में सिर्फ 4 लोग को क्यों दिखा फिर? 4 या 5.
अरे ये 4 दैट ही नोज ऑफ.
दे हैव कंबाइंड देयर स्टोरीज. एक किसी ने सुना है, हाँ मैंने भी सुना है, ओ हाँ.
अरे बट
यही होता
एक
है,
ने
ऐसा
तो
होता है.
एक्चुअली छलांग मारा है उधर से.
वो भी भाई उसने सुना हुआ है ये सब तू एग्जैक्ट
अरे बेटा बोला ना न्यूज़पेपर में डॉक्यूमेंटेड है करके
गूगल कर तो कुछ भी बोलने के लिए अच्छे से बोल सकते हैं
अरे बट मदर टेरेसा को भी वो देखा तो
हाउ डज इट मैटर
मदर टेरेसा है
वो डेथ बेड पे भी है अपने
तो
अरे हेलुसिनेशन वो तो मेरे बाप को भी दिखा तो
अरे वो ऐसा
जब वो बीमार पड़ा था
अरे तो मेरे को बात बता वो सेम नर्स के बारे में क्यों सबको लिख रहा
अरे भाई लोग सिर्फ कनेक्ट करते तू सिर्फ अभी बोला मेरे को नर्स दिखा ओ हाँ मेरे को भी नर्स दिखा कपड़ा पहना था उसने हाँ कपड़ा पहना था छोटा था हाँ छोटा था भाई ये किसी का स्टोरी रहता है एक मिनट हॉस्पिटल में अगर मैं बोलेगा कि मेरे को एक फायर ब्रिगेड वाला इंसान दिखा था वो ज्यादा सब लोग अगर पॉइंट कर रहे हैं वो बिलीवेबल है कि मेरे को नर्स दिखा बिलीवेबल है हाँ
नर्स दिखा मेरे
हाँ अभी समझा क्यों इतना कॉमन चीज बोल रहे लोग
आई गेस
अगर सब लोग वो बोलते कि उधर एक कोई आदमी खड़ा है जो क्लाउन कॉस्ट्यूम में जो मेरे को हमेशा दिखता है और वो सबका स्टोरी एकदम स्पेसिफिकली कनेक्ट हो रहा है तो अलग बात है हॉस्पिटल में और कौन दिखने वाला है
चुप रहे
हाँ वॉचमैन दिखा वॉचमैन भी मान लू मैं अबे ये इट्स ऑल इन द माइंड
नहीं
हाँ ठीक है मजा आ रहा है बट
Hi, my name is Pratima. I'm a pet photographer. This story is based on my pet, and yeah, it's a little emotional, but there won't be any crying or anything.
You leave that to us to decide.
Okay, sorry.
I know
Don't tell me
From
what
my
to
side,
do.
there will not be any crying.
I'll cry if I want to. I'm confident in my masculinity.
Okay, sure. Okay, so
Why do you have to do this?
स्टोरी तो आने दे
So 10 years ago, I finally got my first dog after begging for one my entire life. And my parents were like, "Okay, you're mature enough now and we'll get you a dog. Fully your responsibility." So I said, cool. Me and my brother went, got the dog, and we were raising him on our own and doing all of those things. And we could see that when he'd run, he could only run like thoda sa, and then he'd like thak jake, he would just lie down.
He was
And
30 years old.
yeah, literally. And we were like,
पग
okay, we didn't know what was wrong, but we knew something was wrong. And 2.5 years into his life, we were like debating on that whole neutering, not neutering concept. So we were like, okay, let's take a professional's opinion. And the vet, of course, said, nahi, neuter kar do, ye wo sab. So we took him and they did tests and everything turned out fine. So she said, bring him next week, do this fast and all, and we'll do the surgery. So the night before the surgery happened, my mom came to me and she was like, dude, I have a very bad feeling. And she was crying while telling us this. She was like, no, I have a very bad feeling, I have a very bad feeling. And we were like, as a mother, obviously you're emotional and child is going under surgery, so we were like, don't worry, and sort of pushed it off. And then the next day we took him and he went into surgery, but they gave him expired anesthesia and then it went to his lungs. We opened an oxygen cylinder. Like it was really long drawn. And for my mom, she's like, my child is dying. And for us, obviously, it was like the first death we've seen in front of our eyes. So I collapsed and all that was happening. And then you go home. Actually, the vet clinic had the gall to ask us, should we put him in a trash bag or wrap him?
Fuck assholes.
Yeah. Okay, should we put him in a trash bag or wrap him in the blanket you brought him in? And I was like, I don't know how this is a question, right? And we were like leaving.
सब लोग मुंह देख जब वो बोलती है
You brought him in. And I was like, I don't know how this is a question, right? And we were like leaving with so much confusion because we were like, this was supposed to be an easy surgery. Like this is, and you come in with a dog and you've left without one. So the house is empty, but it still smells like him. And it has all of his things. And you're just so confused. And we were just crying for days. And my dad was trying to get us out of it, where he was like, listen, try to remember his life and, you know, all the good things he brought into your life and all of that. So the entire 1 month after that was extremely tough on all of us. And 2 days after he passed, obviously we are all still in that shock state. So we've not done anything in the house, not cleaned anything. We're just like, okay, we're staying in this state right now. And the maid obviously has come and she's cleaning under my bed. So she's doing the jhadu and suddenly like one of his balls starts rolling because she's
crazy. the way she said it was crazy. Sorry.
hit it, and it had a little bell inside, so it went chum chum chum, and I just intuitively got up and I was going to pick it up, and then my brain was like, no yaar, like I can't touch his stuff, like I'm just so bothered by it. And I'm not kidding, that exact second my phone buzzed and a random person texted me saying, your dog wants you to pick up the ball that's under your bed.
What?
Yeah, and I'm really not kidding about this. It freaked
मेरे को
me
ना
out
पूरा
when
हाथ
I
में से
looked at the
full
phone
tremble हो गया मेरा.
and I was looking around the room. I was like, I don't have a CCTV, something here that someone has hacked into or something. Like, how is this happening? And I was like, who are you? What is happening? What? And he was just like, I'm a medium. And your dog is trying to... Exactly, which is why I thought I should tell this story.
He's not a medium, he's a large. Like this guy
Yeah.
is.
Fuck.
Yeah. So he said, I'm a medium. Don't tell anyone this, because this was obviously like 8 years ago. No one believed in, or rather, no one would believe that he was doing this. And he was like, your dog is passing through me, and I'm a channel, and he just has some messages to pass to you. So I was like, okay, what? And then he said, he literally listed down the bone toy with spikes and this toy with this. So this one, and he listed down like 5 toys. And he said, your dog wants you to put them in a box, tape it, and put it away. And the rest of the toys that he has, you can donate. And he said, these you cannot do anything to. And literally, they are there at home. And I don't have this man's number. This man has never come to my place.
What?
I don't know who he is, where he lives, nothing. Okay? So this has happened.
My only guess is they are connected to the hospital. नहीं तो किधर से मिल रहा है? Random.
अरे बट तब भी कैसे मैसेज आया उसको?
Hospital again.
नहीं.
The vet.
वो घर पे थी और
वो तो random थोड़ा ये हो गया रहेगा. But otherwise क्या तेरे को बाद में डॉग से बात करा रहे और उधर वो मीडियम बैठ के ये बोल रहा तेरा डॉग. एक काम करना, कोई भी अलाइव डॉग से वो क्या बोल रहे हैं उसको बताने को.
वो बोल सकता है
भाई
समझ में आता है
ये सब. आई विश लाइफ में यही कुछ पिक किया रहता भाई. एआई आए कुछ भी आए, इन लोगों का लाइफ सेट है.
And I was like, what? And my family believes in energy and a lot of meditation and all that. So I'm like, yeah, okay, cool. Belief is there, but I don't know how the hell this is happening. So we did that. That second, I did all of that and I put it aside. And then he said he has some messages that he wants to tell you. So then I'm like, what? And then he's told us where his body is, because the clinic didn't tell us. The clinic wasn't allowing us to go do a burial, or there was no crematory for animals. So they just told us, you leave him here and we will do the burial. So we don't know where he is, what it is and all. So he's told us, okay, I'm in a safe place, like there are other doggies here, you know, all of that. And we were like, okay. And then he has told...
But vet को कैसे पता कौन सा टॉयज है उसके घर पे?
भाई उन लोग लेके आए रहेंगे जब उन लोग साथ में हॉस्पिटल आए रहेंगे. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर. यूजुअली क्या होता पता है ये सब टाइम में. आई डोंट वांट टू रूइन द स्टोरी, इसके लिए मैं बोल रहा था कुछ. बट
तो रुक जा पूरा.
अरे वो नहीं, वो उससे रिलेटेड नहीं है. बट यूजुअली क्या होता है, वही होता है. तेरे को उन लोग बहुत कुछ बोल रहे हैं. इन जनरल ये सब बहुत कुछ बोलते हैं. उसमें से तू पिक एंड चूज हो जाता है. तेरा माइंड वही पिक करता है जो तेरे को सुनना है एट दैट पॉइंट. 3-4 पॉइंट जो एकदम जेन्युइन, हाँ मेरे से मैच हो गया, वही दिमाग सुनता. बाकी सब जो जैसे एस्ट्रोलॉजी या ये सब भी है, मोस्टली सारे जेनेरिक होते हैं ताकि किसी को भी फिट हो जाए वो.
very personal things to this man, and this man has told us those things that, I mean, we don't know him, right? Like, we don't know who this guy is. So he's telling us all these things, and he's told me something about my ex-boyfriend, about my brother.
Which the dog is saying?
Yeah, the dog is telling the medium to tell me.
What is the dog saying about your ex-boyfriend?
Like, maybe he's not the right person.
At one point, you're like, fuck it, chup bet, salah, kya kar raha tu?
Yeah. And it was also like...
So he said, can you share one thing that he said about...
Honestly, I can't even remember right now. But it was something
about the ex.
Yeah, where he was
not
like...
the right guy.
Yeah, like, just don't worry about
अभी बोल
it
रही है,
if something
कितना
happens
generic
and
name.
all of that.
रुक
Like be
जा,
strong types. But he was speaking specifically about
If
my
he cheats
brother.
on you, मैं देख लूँगा उसको. Yes.
So he's speaking specifically about my brother who is on the autism spectrum, has ADD, ADHD and GAD. He has everything. So and we got the dog home because we thought, okay, my brother, social cues, this will help. And they were like best friends. So obviously it hit him very hard. And my dog was trying to tell him like, you know, I have done my bit, but you can't backtrack now. Like everything I have taught you, you need to take forward. And he was like teaching him all of those things or saying all those things. Then he went to my mom and he was telling her certain things about my parents and how, yeah, he was like, I was meant to be in this family and like you guys took care of me in these ways, but this is how I took care of you. So continue that. Like it was very weird. And I was like, okay, I got my closure. This is enough. So I gave the phone to my parents. I said, now you deal. Like I can't continue this conversation. We're 2 days into his death. We're all really crying. So I said, okay, no, I can't do this. And then we were like, okay, we didn't want to ask the identity of the man right away. We were like, let's just soak in this information. The entire week after that, after this incident happened, we were like, okay, let's do a deep cleanse of the house. Like everything has to be cleaned. Walls have to be wiped. It was like that. We were like, okay, let's just remove any negative energy that's there. So we were doing that. And because my dog had said, continue what you were anyways doing, my dad was like, continue going on your early morning walks. Because I used to take him in the morning. So I went down at 6 a.m. I'm doing the walk around the society. And every morning after the walk, we would sit on the stairs of the building and just watch like the world go by. And easily for half an hour, we'd be sitting there. So I sat that morning and obviously I'm crying and the entire society knows that my dog has died because we have that pet group and also we've posted. So I'm sitting there and suddenly I have this like heavy feeling next to me. And I'm just like, okay, weird. And I just sort of look at it and I'm like, okay, shake it off, whatever. I don't know what this is. But we believe in energy, so I'm like, kuch hai. And my incident passes by. And then the next day, my mom, she gets up. And before she even like opens her eyes, she used to just get up, put her chappal on, go to the kitchen, and without looking, pick out a treat packet and give him one treat. First thing in the morning, like without doing anything else. So that day she got up and as soon as she got up, she was like, I smell him. Immediately. She was like, I smell him. There's like this weird, heavy feeling over here. I don't know what it is. And she was like, let me just continue doing what I do every day. She put on her chappal. She went to the kitchen. She raised her hand and it went. No smell, no heaviness. My dad meditates for 1 hour every day in the evening from 7:30 to 8:30. He was like, of course, this is my normal routine. I will do it. My dog used to sit on the bed and literally pass out when this meditation is happening because extremely positive energy, deep feelings and all. So my dad was meditating and again he was like, I could literally feel him on the bed right there. And each one of us had a weird experience like that. And we were like, okay, this is like a nice way for us to get closure through what we believe in. And then when we found out the identity of the man, we realized who he was. He used to live in the society. He also had a dog, but every time my dog never barked like at people. He loved people. He was a typical lab. But every time we passed that man, he would literally scurry around. Like he'd be like, I can't deal with this person. And if my dad was talking to that guy, he would bark and bark and bark. And then we realized who he was because he came to us one day downstairs when my dad was working and he said, I am the medium. I just wanted to like let you guys know. And my dad was like, no wonder there's like this weird energy coming off this man that even my dog understood, but he knew who to go to. So it was like this weird exchange.
Wow.
Oh, man, give it up for Pratima. What a story.
Yeah,
And you told us not to cry.
Story.
Insane.
He's gotten a dog like a month
Yeah,
ago.
and I just got a puppy.
I know.
Yeah.
This guy who was in your building.
Yeah.
And he,
So we have like 14 buildings. So he was in one of them.
One of them.
Not in mine, but
so he was using his actual number, but you didn't have it saved.
yeah, we didn't have it saved, but he knew how to get in touch because we were on that pet group and everything. So he was like, I know these guys live here. I'll get in touch with them. but we didn't know who he was like.
But why did the dog
True color.
choose this guy who he hated to?
That's what we don't know, right? Like that was unanswered for us, where we were like, he never liked him, but why was he the first one to go to?
I don't know if that conversation is awkward. The dog does पूरा time उसमें बात करने के बाद like, hey bros,
Listen now.
तेरे पास जियो कनेक्शन है क्या?
ब्रो और क्वेश्चंस पूछते.
हाँ पता नहीं इसमें क्वेश्चंस क्यों नहीं पूछा इन लोग ने.
हाँ
लाइक मेरे को जानना है कि लाइक उसको ये क्यों नहीं पूछा वो बंदा है क्या अभी भी उधर. उसको लाइक वो जो बिल्डिंग में है क्या अभी भी वो बंदा. लाइक उसको बोला शो पे बात करो. लाइक क्वेश्चन तू कौन सा मीडियम है. आई होप ये सब मेड अप है.
आई मीन इट्स टू मी इट जस्ट सीम्स लाइक जब भी आई मीन वो मीडियम वाला पार्ट नहीं, वो थोड़ा हटके था. बाकी तो इज जस्ट
बाकी सब जेनरिक हो सकता है. हाँ
जस्ट व्हेन यू लूज अ पर्सन इन योर लाइफ जो भी है तेरे जो घर में इतने टाइम से रह रहा था, यू ऑलवेज एटलीस्ट फॉर अ मंथ और टू यू ऑलवेज फील देयर प्रेजेंस बिकॉज वो हर रोज एक इंसान तुम्हें वो स्पॉट पे दिख रहा है एंड देन देयर इज नो वन देयर. अबे वो छोड़ो तुम डेथ भी छोड़ो. अगर तुम अरे घर में कोई गेस्ट भी रह रहा था थोड़े दिन के लिए, वो जाने का कितना अजीब लगता है कि बट यार मीडियम वाला
इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो था यार. ये काफी
फनी नहीं था
different है ये. नहीं बट फिर भी
हाँ कूल था
काफी.
डॉग वाला देखो था. फनी चीज क्या था जब ये ना इन लोग मेरे घर वाले भी इन लोग कभी बात करते थे गोश्त के बारे में, तो मैं उनको यही बोलता था अगर गोश्त है तो फिर सिर्फ ह्यूमन लोग का क्यों आता है.
मतलब एनिमल्स का
हाँ क्यों नहीं होता. सिर्फ अपने को ह्यूमन लोग का ही क्यों हुआ.
अब हो गया ना, अब मिल गया
कोई अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये पहली बार ऐसा कोई हुआ है जिसमें. तो अगर उसको डॉग का भाषा समझ में आता तो नॉर्मल डॉग लोग का भी समझ में आता रहेगा ना.
नहीं
तो
ना.
वो जेनेरिकली जब भी उसका
बट
नहीं उसका मतलब क्या हुआ मालूम है. उसका डॉग हमेशा जब भी उससे मिलता था तभी बार्क कर रहा, मतलब वो बात कर रहा था उससे.
एग्जैक्टली
उससे बात कर रहा था. लोग समझा नहीं
तो
मैं बाद में मिलेगा तेरे को.
नहीं तो ऐसा होगा कि जब लाइक कोई पास हो जाता है तभी लैंग्वेज सबको इंग्लिश आ जाता है.
देखो उसमें भी एक्चुअली देखो पता है बहुत जैसे मेरे वाइफ का डॉग और मैंने बहुत इंटरनेट पे भी वीडियोस देखे. उन लोगों को उनका रीजनल लैंग्वेज ही आता है. जैसे मेरे वाइफ का डॉगों को सिर्फ गुजराती आता है. उसको कोई और लैंग्वेज बोलेगा नहीं समझ में आता है. एक स्पेनिश डॉग देखा है मैंने. वो बहुत क्यूट वीडियो था जब उन लोग एक रेस्क्यू किया था एक डॉग को और उन लोग इंग्लिश में बात करने ट्राई कर रहे थे, उसको समझ में नहीं आता. एक जन ने सिर्फ स्पेनिश में ट्राई किया तभी उसको ऐसा
आई थिंक उनको वर्ड्स फेमिलियर साउंड्स और ऐसा. जैसे हम लोग का ऐसा है अगर डॉग ने भाव किया तो समझे अगर डॉग ने मियाओ किया तो उसके हम लोग एक ही है करके.
बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग तो था. स्टिल नॉट कन्विंसिंग इनफ टू मेक मी बिलीव.
आवे जान
मीडियम को लेके आओ वापस स्टेज पे.
वैसे कुछ भी हो जाए ठीक है.
कोई
अगर मैं हॉस्पिटल में 7th फ्लोर में मत डालना मेरे को बस.
7 लकी नंबर नहीं है.
नहीं है 7 लकी नंबर. लकी नहीं स्कैरी नंबर है वैसे.
अच्छा और एक चीज तो फिर सब रैंडम ऐसे लोग का भूत क्यों आते हैं. कोई ऐसा इम्पोर्टेंट इंसान का क्यों नहीं आता जो आगे कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन दे जाए.
आ सकता है.
आ सकता रहेगा क्यों नहीं आता फिर.
अरे वो अभी पता नहीं ना.
तो सब एकदम रैंडो लोग रहते हैं.
अरे
कोई ऐसा हिटलर या गांधी जी या कोई भी
आ गया रहेगा तो गूगल कर देख स्टोरी किसका.
वो तो किसने डाला रहेगा फॉर श्योर. पीने के बाद तो संजय दत्त को भी आया था बापू. एक पूरा मूवी में संजय दत्त.
तू बोला कि तू नहीं बोला अभी किसको आता नहीं है. मैं तेरे को बोल रहा हूँ गूगल कर किसी ना किसी को तो आया रहेगा करके.
उनको बताया भी कुछ नहीं रहेगा फॉर श्योर. उनको वही बताया रहेगा जो उनके लाइफ में. ऐसा नहीं कि उन लोग रशिया में क्या चालू है.
और ये सब स्टोरी में तो बोल भी नहीं सकता कि नहीं तेरे को नहीं दिखा करके. अरे मैंने देखा है मेरे को दिख गया तो क्या ही बोल सकता है. एक रैंडी सैवेज करके एक बंदा है WWE रेसलर.
नहीं रैंडी सैवेज. आई थिंक रैंडी सैवेज है उसका नाम. उसका शो है आई थिंक टिल कितना 40 या कुछ 30-40 साल से चल रहा है उसका शो. $1 million प्राइज है. कोई भी पैरानॉर्मल या कुछ भी जो है
प्रूव कर सकते.
हाँ करके दिखाओ स्टेज पे उसके कंडीशंस में. कोई भी करके दिखाए वो 1 million तभी का तभी देगा.
अरे शो क्यों चल रहा है 30-40 साल से.
कि कोई भी नहीं कर पाया आज तक कुछ भी. कोई भी मेंटलिज्म कुछ भी. हर एक चीज के पीछे कुछ ना कुछ. ट्रिक रहता ही है.
But yeah, that was the video, guys. Let us know. आप लोग के साथ ऐसा कोई भूत का स्टोरी हुआ है
Yeah.
क्या? In the comments down below. अगर अच्छा लगा तो हम लाइक करेंगे उसको.
चलो अगर तुम स्टोरी बताओगे हम
next
नेक्स्ट
time
वीडियो में
डिस्कस करें.
डिस्कस और उस पर हाँ बात भी करेंगे. चलो तुमको वीडियो कॉल पे लेके आएंगे. हम हमारा खुद का माँ कसम बना रहे हैं. इधर हम अम्मा कसम रख रहे हैं.
बट हाँ, कमेंट डाउन बिलो और लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी करना प्लीज.
Yes, sir.
एंड वील सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन अगेन. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग. थैंक यू ब्रदर्स.
ठीक है सिस्टर्स.